Guys, welcome back to Slim D Fashions. So this is the best way to cut your trouser. You need 6 measurements: the waist measurement, the hip measurement, the lap measurement, the knee measurement, the trouser full length, and the ankle measurement. To begin with, you need a trouser length of fabric of double length to make one trouser now. So what you do is that you fold your material into two, like you can see. I folded mine into two. So the next thing to do is to make sure that on the down part of your material you impute 2 inches. 2 inches. You can see that chalk there. I marked 2 inches for my hemming allowance or folding allowance. Then from that 2 inches, I marked my full length. I have full length of 40 inches. So from this 2 inches down to this point is my full length, which is 40 inches. Then I came down by 10 inches, which is my crunch measurement. That is my hip by